Good morning, followers, viewers, and friends. So, I'm not really going to call this an unboxing because an unboxing is more just you just read off the paper. This is more my experience of how I enjoyed my Altegras and why I've decided to move over to the Power Aero 14,000 XTC. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. All of them are phenomenal reels. It's what you want to use them for. So we'll start off with my favorite reel, which is the Altegra CI4 Plus XTC 5500. The reason for it is the last 2 years I fished quite a bit of the small to medium sized venues. So I didn't really go to the wild South African venues, but that's definitely in the future. So I've got the 14,000 XTCs as well, the CI4 Plus with the CI4 Plus bodies. I didn't use them much because of the simple reason that I told you just now. The smaller venues, the 5,500 worked so nicely, and it's so compact when I put them on my 8-foot extractor rods. It fits into my Suzuki Swift, which is a small car, versus my minivan, which is the big one for the bigger venues when I take a bit more stuff with me. So initially, I did have a look at the XR XTD when it came out, but for me there wasn't enough benefits to make that switch and that financial layout. The XTCs were performing phenomenally, and they are still performing phenomenally. So, but when I saw those guys of the Tribal, Shimano Tribal EU, when they were fishing that lake in Spain, I saw the Power Aero 14,000 for the first time, and I was really impressed. But in South Africa, it takes a bit of time to get here. So when I heard that Eddie from Fishing Pro Shop in Pretoria put on social media that they have got in stock, I was really excited, and I started doing the budgeting, because all fishing products are expensive, the quality ones. You can buy the cheaper ones for sure, but you buy more than once if you buy them. So the budgeting started, the saving started, and then recently I spoke to Eddie, and we made a plan. So let me introduce what this is actually all about. So this is it. Have a look at that. What a beautiful reel. But it's not all about the looks. It's what it can do for you as a fisherman. Please take note. Have a look at the back here. You'll see that it's thinner there versus the XTC CI4 Pluses Altegras. Quickly show you. There you can see it is thicker. Okay, so this is the reason I went over to the Aeros, Power Aeros. If I read up correctly, what they say about the reel is the body is a Hagan body and the gears. Not that I'm going to need a 44 pound drag, but it's also an upgrade versus the previous Altegras, which is 33 pounds. 15 kgs. But if you use the reel, so the previous reels, there's nothing wrong. They're smooth, they're good, they're nice. But once you've handled this, you can most definitely feel there is a difference, and not a small difference, a serious difference. So the real proof of the pudding for me is putting this to test in field. So next weekend, I was invited to a competition with some specimen guys. So I'll go have a look there, and I'll put them to the test, and I'll give feedback of what I've caught and how it went. But just a big shout out to Eddie and Johan from Fishing Pro Shop in Pretoria. They filled all 3 reels for me. It's filled with 18 pound. The mono I used is Giant Abrasion, because they're so abrasion resistant. With all the stuff in the water these days, and me liking to fish some rivers, if I do use these reels in the river. I must make sure that I can be able to pull it around a stump or a piece of tree that has come down with the river. So these are the mono spools. And this is the braid spool. This is filled up with a 30-pound J braid. A braid I trust, it sinks nicely, it lies nice on the contours, so I would also suggest something like that. The gearing of the spools, you'll see the spools, the drag system, it looks very similar, very well sealed, and that is about the big things for me that made the decision for me to buy this. So like I say, the proof is in the pudding, and that's in catching the fish. Seeing that we are busy with the unboxing, like the Ultegra, they come with the extra spool. They've got the line reducers. I'm sure you guys have heard this several times from all the other guys on their reviews of the Ultegras and all the other Shimano reels. Let me put that to the side. And then guys, this is it for now. Once I've gone fishing and I've tried it out properly, I would let you guys know, and I will give more feedback. But so far, I'm really impressed. The drag is so smooth. The winding of the handle, it's effortless. It's just so smooth. So yeah, really impressed. Sorry if I'm smiling too much, I can't help. Yeah, thanks guys. Have a lucky day. Okay, so in ending, just to preview that the small reels can also catch the big fish. This reel last year, I'll put photos on, broke my PB 3 times. My albino grass carp, my mirror, and my common, all caught with this, an 8-foot rod. Yeah, if you handle it right, your drag system is smooth, you can catch any size fish. The only limitations for these reels for me was the amount of line they can take. But once again, I didn't fish many of those big venues, and I've got the bigger reels if I did need it. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a lucky day.